just got out of work. Had to go check out the river real quick. Heated up a little bit. Got up to I think it's 55 right now, so came down here. Looked like some bugs hatched and sat by the river for a little bit, and I realized I could hear some fish jump and trying to eat, so grabbed my rod and we're gonna try and catch one real quick. Alright, just got rigged up. Give it a try. Oh cool, the geese got out of the way. Now I can actually get to the spot that I wanted to go in the first place. So, right there, oh, do you see it eat? Just ate right there. That's where we want to be. So, man, so much poop over here. I'm gonna try and set up right here. And they're eating like crazy too. Alright, well, I caught another tree, so I really knew that was gonna happen. But I had to give it a shot. The fish were biting, but alright, gotta pack it on up, gotta go home. We'll catch one of these times, I promise, because I'll keep on trying until I do, and even then, we'll just keep on showing up, because you can't catch fish if you're not trying. So, alright, little adventure over.